Smart search. Find exactly what you're looking for. Got specific archaeological mysteries in mind? Why browse through hundreds of artifacts when you can laser focus on exactly what fascinates you? Let's unlock the power of smart filtering and become archaeological detectives. The challenge. Too much amazing stuff. Our database is exploding with discoveries. We're racing toward nearly 1,000 artifacts across dozens of sites. That's incredible for exploration. But sometimes you want to find something specific. Maybe you're obsessed with precision, granite cutting, or you want to explore only Peruvian polygonal structures. That's where filtering becomes your superpower. Filter 1. Geographic detective work. Let's start with the big picture. See that accordion menu? The countries section is your geographic command center. Here's the magic. Right now, you're seeing 23 archaeological sites spanning multiple countries. But what if you only care about Peru and Bolivia and want to skip Mexico entirely? Watch this. I'll deselect Mexico. Boom, the site count drops instantly. Notice something brilliant? The header now shows your selected countries in a violet badge. Plus, the countries section turns violet with the country count in magenta brackets. That's your visual DNA. Violet always means filter is active. Filter number 2. Technology time machine. Here's where archaeology gets mind-blowing. We've tagged every artifact with the construction technologies we've identified. Names like polygonal, knife and butter, and wrapping hill, each representing different ancient engineering marvels. Let's decode Sacsayhuaman. Look below the site name. You'll see multiple technology tags. This site is like an ancient engineering showcase. Southern artifact, polygonal plus wrapping hill, 2 techniques in one structure. Central piece, knife and butter, that impossibly smooth stone fitting. Northern artifact, throne, precision carved seating. The detective moment. Want to find who else mastered these same techniques across the globe? Tags filtering is your archaeological time machine. Advanced filtering like a pro. Let's say wrapping hill technology fascinates you. Those incredible structures that seem to flow around natural rock formations. Step 1. Open the tags section. You'll see all recognized technologies we've cataloged, plus an untagged option. Step 2. Here's a genius shortcut, the inversion button. Instead of deselecting almost all items to keep just one click flips your entire selection. It's grayed out until you deselect something. We always need at least one tag active. Step 3. Select just wrapping hill and watch the transformation. The results? Artifacts plummet from 41 to just 22. Now you're seeing only structures that embrace natural hills. The technology name explains itself, right? Again, violet header highlighting plus violet tags section, your active filter signature. Filter number 3, material masterclass. But wait, there's more. Different regions were rich in specific stones: granite, limestone, diorite. You can filter by construction materials to find sites near ancient quarries. The power move. Start with all 23 sites visible. Select granite. Drops to just 9. Sites with granite artifacts. Add limestone to the mix. Jumps to 19. Sites using either material. The logic. When you combine tags and stones, you're finding sites that match both criteria. Not tag or stone. It's tag and stone together. This is crucial. However, artifacts for the site must match at least one criterion, not necessarily all together. Real example. Select polygonal tag plus granite stone. Now pick Machu Picchu. You'll see both criteria highlighted. When filters get tricky, Sometimes your combination yields 0 results. Select ties. Tag with granite stone. Watch the map go empty. The red eye icon appears with a helpful tooltip suggesting you reset filters. Another scenario. You might find a site, but 0 artifacts. Try ties, plus, andesite. You'll see Pumapunku site. But no artifacts inside. Why? The artifacts have either the tag or the stone, but not both together. Remove andesite, and you'll see 2 ties artifacts, both made from sandstone, not andesite. Smart auto selection magic. Here's a pro feature. Auto tags and auto stones checkboxes. These change how filtering behaves when you adjust countries. Auto tags checked. When you change countries, all available tags automatically select, showing maximum possible artifacts. Auto tags unchecked. The system tries to preserve your previous tag selections unless none apply to your new country selection. The same logic applicable for Auto Stones checkbox. Demo time. Select Sandstone. Shows 2 sites. Uncheck. Auto Stones. Then deselect a country. Notice how the system preserves your sandstone selection? Smart! Discovering archaeological connections. Ready to find technological connections across continents? Menu method. Apply filter, for example using Wrapping Hill. The Sites section now shows only locations matching your filters. Click Kenko Archaeological Complex to explore artifacts with similar techniques. Map method. Back out to Site Selection mode. Your map shows only filtered sites. Hover over location pins for site names, then dive in to explore specific artifacts. Quick filter escapes need to reset? 2 instant options. Click All next to any filter section, available when filters are active. Or use Header Back buttons to remove specific filters. Both instantly expand your view and show site or artifact counts jump back up. Visual logic that just works. See that wide divider line in the accordion menu? It's your navigation compass. Top half, your filters, countries, tags, stones, violet when active. Bottom half, your selections, sites, artifacts, orange when chosen. This color coding keeps you oriented no matter how deep you filter. Your archaeological superpowers unlocked. You now command 3 powerful search methods. Geographic filtering. Explore by region. Technology filtering. Find construction techniques. Material filtering. Discover stoneworking mastery. Combined filtering. Get ultra-specific like polygonal granite structures in Peru only. Whether you're researching ancient precision techniques, comparing regional building styles, or hunting for evidence of advanced technologies, you can now pinpoint exactly what you need in seconds. We need to put stopwatch picture instead of browsing for hours. Ready to revolutionize your archaeological research? Your filtered detective work starts now. prepare to uncover connections that span continents and millennia.